Hi everyone, this is Abrar. Welcome to Abrar Knowledge Channel. Today's topic is part 3 of interesting facts. The part 1 we talked about the animals. Asim has shared about interesting facts and things about animal, and followed by part 2. Part 2 was also about the human anatomy and so on, and part 3 is in general, so various aspect, very interesting facts, and you will gain definitely a great general knowledge. I have picked up from the book called 501 Fascinating Facts. The name of the book is 501 Fascinating Facts. Let me start. So, rats can survive without water longer than camels. The most widely cultivated fruit in the world is apple, and the second one is pear. We blink our eyes once every 6 seconds. That is, in the course of the lifetime, we blink about 250 trillion times. The human heart pumps 1.5 million gallons of blood a year. Imagine how hard does a job. The left side of brain controls the right side of the brain, and vice versa. The left side controls the right side and the right side controls the left side, and vice versa. A full moon is 9 times brighter than half moon. It takes about 48 hours for your body to completely digest from one meal. That's one of the reason we say that chew well while eating it. Do you know that cuttlefish has three hearts, two of which are placed at the base of the gills? The third one is in the central heart. The giraffe is about 1.2 meter taller than double-decker train or double-decker bus. In spite of its long neck, it has poor vocal cords, as has and it has only 7 bones in its neck, the same as man. Two normal kidney contain 2 million tiny blood filters which filter 50 gallons of blood every day. Tomatoes were originally called love apples. The most common disease in the world is tooth decay. Among the Arab, there are nearly 1,000 different words for a camel. That's what the Arabic language is so powerful and so unique. So, for a word camel, it has 1,000 different words. The nail on your middle finger grows faster, whereas the nail on the thumb grows slowest. Of the 22 bones connected by joints in your skull, only one can move. One is movable. The one in your lower jaw, which permits you to talk, which permits you to laugh, which permits you to chew foods. In the lower depth of the ocean, the water pressure is so great that a bottle dropped from the surface would be broken before it reaches the bottom. It is impossible to sneeze and keep your eyes open at the same time. You might have heard this and seen this practically. The hummingbird can fly backwards, sideways, forwards, and hover motionless for up to an hour. That's what the hummingbird is so peculiar and unique. Zebra stripes are like human fingerprints. No two zebras or stripes are alike or same. Minus 40 centigrade is equal to minus 40 Fahrenheit. I hope you like this interesting facts and general knowledge. And we'll also will be making part two. Please stay tuned and have a nice day ahead. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Have a nice day ahead.